Here we go. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Rachel Emma and I wanted to come back and do like a sit down video catch up kind of vibe. I haven't posted much in the last couple of weeks, 2 weeks, 2 weeks. Not intentional, just life happens and I'm getting growing a human life now, and
it's just changed things a little bit.
So I thought this would be a nice opportunity to kind of talk about it and being pregnant in lockdown 2020 and what that has meant for me, what I'm doing and how it's going. I'm gonna be dripping buckets by the end of this video. Watch. And I love the weather, by the way. I actually love warm weather. I wrote some notes because sit down videos, I think like sometimes you can just go on a massive tangent and then but maybe you guys want to hear me talk, I don't know. So yes, if you didn't see one of my videos, I did let you guys know in a very subtle way that I am pregnant and we're getting towards the end, which is lovely in terms of making it this far. Very grateful, very excited. But obviously COVID was a big spanner in the works on everybody. Every single person's life has been shifted, altered, changed to adapt to this crazy time. My phone's going off, so I'm going, I don't want to come and get you. I don't want to reach the phone. I'm sat down. So I'm in the 3rd trimester, I believe. So if I give you a summary of how it's been, just a very quick one. Trimester 1, that was difficult in terms of I hated food. I couldn't eat, I lost weight, I was throwing up a lot, but as you guys know, I also had a virus in January. I think I was like 11 weeks at that point when I got hit with the virus. It was a virus because I went to hospital and everything, blah, 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 blah. But it was before everyone was testing for corona, blah, 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 blah. Literally the first week of January. Came back, I was in Dubai with my friends, came back home. 2 days after I got off the plane, I was struck with an illness that I've never been that ill in my life. Went to the hospital, went to the tropical care unit. I couldn't breathe, I couldn't do anything. So for 2 weeks, my temperature was through the roof. I had no energy, couldn't breathe, super ill, lost weight because I couldn't eat. Tried as many supplements as I could, but was throwing a lot of them up. So it was a very scary time because obviously I was like 11 weeks pregnant. So you kind of get a bit nervous on how that's going to affect the pregnancy, but I'm here today and things are running smoothly, so I don't even want to kind of dabble in that too much. But yeah, I was sick all the time and hated food, and I was just eating bread and vegan butter. I think my friend Jess was like, Rachel, I want to do a video on like all your pregnancy cravings, and I'm like, I'm so sorry, they're so boring. Bread and vegan butter and fruit, just like oranges, apples, pears, watermelon, just juicy fruits they're just hitting the spot for me right now. If you have me on Instagram, you've seen me, like my friend's been dropping off fresh coconuts. Coconut water has been making me so happy. I'm on my dates, I'm on my fruit. So thankfully all my cravings are like fruit, which I love. That was trimester 1. I made it through. After 2 weeks, I finally started to get my breath back. I started to get my energy back very, very slowly. It took a while, and that was another break I had on YouTube because I've never been that unwell in my life, and I needed to let my body rest and heal. I was in my bed the whole time. That was it, me in my bed. And luckily my mum would just come and give me like vegetable soup, fruit, and she just looked after me because it was just, yeah, that was crazy time. Then trimester 2 came, and like everyone said, fortunately the vomiting stopped. I stopped throwing up, which was lovely, and I started to love food again, which was important because I create recipes on YouTube and I create recipes for other people, and at that time I hated food and I couldn't be creative, and that was kind of annoying because it's like my career, my passion and my nutrients, and I hated it. But we're back. Obviously you guys know that I don't like garlic right now, and I used to love garlic, as you guys also know. So yeah, trimester 2 was lovely. I had energy. I started feeling a little bit more normal. Take me in your arms, do just what you want. You're the one I trust. I belong. Trimester 3. If you guys actually want to know how that's going, by the end of it I can let you guys know, but let me know in the comments if you actually want to know. Sometimes I'm like, do people even care? Like, do you even want to know? I don't know, but I guess I enjoyed watching these videos throughout the time. So maybe you do want to know. Let me know in the comments. So that brings me to today and navigating in this world as someone who is pregnant and on lockdown. It's a little bit of a mind. It is a bit weird. And again, everyone has their own reasons why this time is difficult. And my difficult time is kind of just being pregnant. All my projects, all my work stopped, which happens to everyone. So in terms of money, it's been a bit, you know, ooh, it's not great for a baby on the way. And there's just a lot of things that I anticipated before the lockdown that what my life might look like, especially having a summer baby. I was like, a baby shower, I'm gonna be out and about, and I'm gonna go to like pregnancy yoga, do antenatal classes and meet other pregnant women and be outside in the sun. And that was like my own little, I don't know, what I kind of thought might be what was gonna happen, but obviously no, you can't go to yoga, you can't do antenatal classes, you can do them online. So that was like a bit of a like, but then you kind of have to look on the bright side, and it's just like, hey, I'm healthy, I'm at home, you know, I've got my loved ones around me, so I'm very grateful for that. But it was a little bit like, this is a very weird time to be pregnant. And also little things like scans, like we got to see the scans together in the beginning, but all my scans going forward I have to do by myself. And I did want a home birth, that was my plan. I was born in this house that you guys see me in all the time, so I've been here my whole life. It's changed, but this is my home and I was born here. My mum had me here and I thought I was gonna have my baby here, but I might, we'll see. But at the minute, home births are banned, and also my mum needs to be there when I give birth, and at the minute it's like one person, but I'm like, hey, I need two. I don't know. At the minute it's very confusing. Everywhere's saying different things. My hospital are just saying home births are not a thing right now, so we will see. I also feel like because I haven't been able to go out and do classes and meet other pregnant women, I haven't really, I'm not really one for like the Zoom classes and stuff like that. It's just not, I love like vibing off people and then learning from them and the interaction. So I've not been that good at like researching online, but I kind of need to get my head in the game now because, you know, we're getting bigger. So those are kind of like the difficulties in lockdown that I've been facing. I have to be at home and I'm considered more high risk. I just want to stay happy and healthy and cheerful, and to do that, you know, stay home. And it's like my grandma, I haven't been able to see her and she hasn't been able to see me, and I know she would love to see me right now, but she's in the high risk category, so she's been at home this whole time. And I'm sure so many people can relate to this because, you know, it's a universal thing. Everyone has got difficulties in it, but there are a lot of things that I'm grateful for. I'm not doing this by myself. I have like an amazing support system. The baby's been getting to listen to mum and dad. So aside from that, I kind of wanted to also mention what I've been doing to stay sane and healthy in this crazy time. Now I'm out of breath. I was planning to be like a fitness queen throughout the pregnancy. Like, found this online place where I've been doing yoga and workouts, and they're segmented by trimester, so that I feel like safer, that I'm actually being safe throughout my workouts. And also because I used to train, my body's used to all that kind of activity. So I've been doing that when I've had the energy or felt like it. Supplements have been really important, and making sure I'm eating well. For example, I had a phase where I had really bad brain fog. Like, I would be talking and then mid-sentence I don't know what the hell I'm talking about, which could just be a sign of pregnancy, or my mum was just like, you know what, let's just make sure you're getting enough omegas, because that is the brain food and the baby's kind of stealing all my nutrients. So she's been making me these epic delicious, I call them my omega bowls. I make them with her, and we just make sure we've got like chia seeds in there, flax seeds in there, hemp seeds in there. Also, if you do have the chia seeds and you don't soak them, sometimes in some people, if you eat them that way, the chia seeds are going to absorb all the moisture in your body, so it can actually make it harder to digest. So we've been soaking them, adding fruits because I love fruit, mangoes, coconut meat from my friend who's been dropping off coconuts to me, and just making sure that I'm really getting all my food. And then obviously, like, I have a green smoothie. I need a new juicer. I need a new juicer. We have a really old one and it's really loud and really slow, and difficult to clean. So if you can recommend any juices that I can get in the UK that are actually amazing, please do. I've been taking a prenatal from the beginning. It's a vegan friendly one, and it's one that I really like because it actually uses raw plant-based foods and nutrients to hit those levels that you need. Love it. On top of that, I am taking iron supplement, obviously vegan. I'm taking omega-3 supplement, which is vegan, as well as kind of making sure I got it in my diet just to cover all the bases. I'm also taking vitamin D, which has been highlighted more in the media now, more than ever, which I'm glad I've been taking it anyway. Vitamin C with my iron. Obviously, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a medical professional, so this is the routine that works for me and my body and what's going on with me. So for everyone it's different, but those are the ones that I am taking and that have been helping me and keeping me fit and healthy and have a clear brain. And now I'm out of breath again. I've been training, I've been taking my supplements, I have a good support system around me, which I'm so grateful for. Also, you guys are like my support system as well. Even the comments that you guys leave on the video, like, it honestly brings such a smile on my face. So I appreciate you guys so deeply. I'm not going anywhere. I'm slowed down a little bit, but I'm still here. I'm still creating recipes. All the projects that I had lined up that were supposed to be happening now, hopefully I can then do next year with a baby. That is the plan. Oh, and lastly, if you guys want to know what I've been trying to buy for the baby, which is quite difficult because everything sold out and it's so difficult to get basic. You literally, if you don't buy it, it's gonna sell out. And there's a lot of things I've put on my wish list and I've gone to buy them as time's gone on and it's sold out and it's very annoying. Maternity clothes as well, oh my days. I didn't want to get maternity dresses because I'm in lockdown, Rach. Where are you going? Where are you going? You're not even supposed to be out. So I tried to get like 3 or 4 staple dresses that I can wear while pregnant and after. That's my plan. I feel very blessed and very grateful and very excited to have a new little human. You guys can guess the gender if you want. I ain't gonna tell ya. I guess I could show you what is cooking. Good looking. Oh, my wire. Like, it's just such a special time, kind of like a sacred time that I said it before and you guys were super respectful and you were like, yeah, we get it, Rach, we get it, girl. So I really appreciate that I do want to keep the personal bits personal and private, but the general stuff, like, and the stuff that will help other people, and the food and the nutrients and the fitness and all that kind of stuff I can share because I think that will help other people. I hope you guys have enjoyed just kind of sitting down with me and catching up with me. Well, I hope you have. Please give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed sitting and chatting with me. Every thumbs up, every subscribe, every comment really helps me more than ever right now in navigating through this crazy time. My channel is my first baby, which it actually saddens me when I'm not uploading, but planned some videos which should be coming out in the next coming weeks. I don't know what's gonna happen when this baby pops out. I have no idea. It's something I've never done before, so we're gonna just see how it goes. But I ain't going nowhere. Things might slow down, but I ain't going nowhere. I still got recipes and vegan love. I just love to share with you guys. Yeah, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. But I'm gonna do like a day in the life next time on my channel. I'll just bring you guys with me for the day. We'll hang out. It'll be amazing. Make sure you stay tuned. It'll be fun. Okay, I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna sign out. This baby's always kicking me. Always kicking me. It's an active baby. It's an active baby.
Stronger than ever. Hey, yo, you better flee hops or get your headphones.